What is C#.NET? C#.NET is a modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It's a part of the .NET ecosystem, which provides a comprehensive framework for building various types of applications, including web applications, desktop applications, and mobile applications. C# follows object-oriented programming principles. This means that it supports key concepts like inheritance, formalism, and encapsulation. These features help developers write structured, reusable, and maintainable code. These features help developers to write the structured, reusable, and maintainable code. C# is highly versatile and used in multiple industries. C# is widely adopted for enterprise applications, cloud-based solutions, and even game development with Unity, which is the best gaming engine. Many large companies prefer C# due to its reliability and efficiency in handling the large-scale applications. Being integrated with .NET makes C# is even more powerful. C# provides access to a wide range of pre-built tools and libraries, which are helping developers to reduce the development time and improve efficiency. Developers can easily build applications that integrated smoothly across different platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So, C#.NET is not just a programming language, it's a completely development ecosystem. Learning the C#.NET opens the door to numerous opportunities in software development.